Episode 7 of our From Puzzles to Pokemon Pack series. This is where I continue using the results of my speed cubing competition to open Pokemon packs. Happy Pokemon Day, everyone! There are more straightforward ways to celebrate this day, but I thought why not use the results of the last event that I had where I had some good solves in to open Pokemon packs. Let's see what we'll get. There were 3 out of 5 solves that broke my PR single, and it's also my first time getting a PR average. So we'll open not just this pack, but we're going big and opening this. I'm definitely a little late to the party, but this collection box contains 2026 Pokemon Day coin, Cosmo Holo Foil Pikachu from Temporal Forces, not a promo, but still cute though, it has a stamp, and 3 booster packs, 2 from Phantasmal Flames, 1 from Mega Evolution, and then we'll add another one. I do need to get more packs in March, but in the meantime, we have Dark, Delibird, Toxicroak going into Ralts, Shuckle, Chiyu, here we go, another Shuckle, Mega Venusaur EX. Again, we'll have to see what will happen in March. I didn't get a lot of Ascended Heroes, so that's an issue, but let's see. One fell. Here we go. Alakazam, alright, Evolution Line. Pack number 3, Phantasmal Flames. I'm still missing Lopunny, Empoleon, and the Charizard EX to complete the main set. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Water Energy. Jigglypuff. I've seen you so many times already. Here we go. Can I have one more hit, please? Our series may not be ending on a high note, but this will definitely continue. I love puzzles and I love opening Pokemon packs. Let's see what we come up with. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe if you have any questions. How are your pack openings? What did you do to celebrate today? But otherwise, see you guys next time.